The best motorcycle battery for your bike depends on your individual needs. Motorcycle batteries come in a variety of weights, sizes, and types. Some batteries deliver a lot of power, but are heavy. Other batteries may be easier to manage, but won't deliver enough power for a large engine. To determine the best motorcycle battery, we looked at maintenance requirements, battery longevity, cost, and performance. There are many products available to choose best motorcycle batteries, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the motorcycle batteries from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump in. Number 1. Chrome Battery YTX30LBS. The Chrome Battery YTX30LBS is a good choice for a variety of motorcycles. The price is about average for a motorcycle battery, and less than what you would pay for an OEM battery. This battery has 30.0 amp hours and generates 385.0 cold cranking amps, meaning it can provide plenty of energy to your engine. It is easy to install, reliable, and requires very little maintenance, making it our top choice for the best motorcycle battery. What customers are saying. Many reviewers are pleased with this battery's installation, power output, and low price tag. Overall, it earns top marks for ease of installation, value, and battery service life. While the Chrome battery is supposed to ship fully charged, several reviewers report that their batteries arrive depleted. Though many buyers say the Chrome battery works well and holds up long term, a handful of reviewers note that the battery stopped working within a Number 2. Weize YTX9BS battery. The Weize YTX9BS is a lightweight motorcycle battery suitable for smaller engines. This battery does not have as much power as larger batteries, but it's low cost and reliable, making it one of the best motorcycle battery options for riders on a budget. The Weize ships fully charged and is easy to install. The low number of amp hours, 8.0, and relatively low cold cranking amps, 135.0, mean this battery won't put out a lot of power. It'll work well for small motorcycles, but don't purchase this battery if your bike has an engine displacement larger than 135.0 cubic inches. What customers are saying. Some reviewers complain that this battery does not hold a charge very well, though those who use the battery daily have no issues. You may want to use a trickle charger if you don't plan to run the Weize YTX9BS regularly. While it does appear that some customers receive defective batteries, Weize will replace the batteries if contacted. Number 3. ODYSSEY YTX28L2-BS12. ODYSSEY batteries are used as OEM parts for a number of motorcycle brands including Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, and Kawasaki. These are high-quality, dependable batteries. While you may be able to find a similar battery at a lower price point, ODYSSEY is a reliable choice. It puts out a lot of power and delivers 310.0 cca. Unlike the other batteries on this list, the ODYSSEY YTX28L2-BS does not ship ready to install. Owners must mix in the acid solution themselves. This may cause anxiety for riders who don't want to work with corrosive chemicals. However, according to reviewers, adding acid is easy and safe if you follow the included instructions. What customers are saying. Many customers are impressed with the ease and safety of the filling process. While a few are annoyed that the battery requires assembly, most praise the reliability of the ODYSSEY. As is typical for many batteries, the ODYSSEY does not perform as well in colder conditions, and some reviewers note that they've had difficulty starting their engines in temperatures below 25. Number 4. ODYSSEY PC680 battery. The ODYSSEY PC680 is a long-lasting battery that provides a respectable number of amp hours, 16.0. While this battery is expensive, it can save you money in the long run. The ODYSSEY PC680 can last 8 to 10 years with the proper care. The average motorcycle battery lifespan is around 4 years, which means you'll have to replace this model only half as often. The ODYSSEY battery casing is built for durability, making it a good choice for off-roading and power sports. And while the CCA is average, 170.0, this battery can put out 520.0 hot cranking amps, PHCA. Hot cranking amps are a measure of a battery's output capacity when warmed up to at least 80.0 degrees Fahrenheit. What customers are saying. Positive customer reviews mention the long battery life, which can extend to 8 to 10 years with the proper care. Some reviewers complained that the battery they received did not hold a charge. In these cases, the issue seems to be a defective battery. The 2-year warranty should cover a replacement battery, if you happen to be among the unlucky few to receive a defective product. Number 5. Shorai LFX14L2-BS12. If you want to be on the cutting edge of motorcycle battery technology, check out the Shorai LFX14L2-BS12. It weighs less than any battery on this list, while offering respectable CCA and Ah. This battery can be charged more quickly than an AM motorcycle battery, and it will also last longer, especially in hot climates. A lithium battery is a good choice for desert riders. All it takes to get that adventure started is the Shorai Stream Rate. Because this battery is so small, it may not fit snugly in larger battery boxes. However, the Shorai ships with adhesive foam padding for stabilization. This battery does require that you use a specialty battery charger, as it can be damaged by overcharging. What customers are saying. Reviewers are most impressed by the battery's high capacity combined with its low weight. Shorai customer support is top-notch, with
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.